Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, big up and respect to each and everyone, is it? Yeah, I just some sitting more for talk to now about, When I say sitting, that's a Jamaican way of saying certain things or some things, you see me? Alright, so, I got the understanding that Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Shenseea did a collaboration with a musician who goes by the name of Megan Thee Stallion. And the two of them together do a song that goes by the name of Lick. Yes, so Shenseea released the song with Megan Thee Stallion that goes by the name of Lick. And how I find out about that song is because of more than one post that she made on her Instagram account. You understand? Our Instagram platform, however you might call it. Now, before I go listen to this song or before me go watch the music video, viewers and subscribers, I read some of those comments that have been made on posts that have been made by Shenseea on our Instagram account. Yeah, for more than one post, so she make me see some comments. And let me tell the viewers and subscribers. You see the comments, some of them negative, some of them positive. You see me, some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons not totally agree with what the song is about. And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some people say Shenseea all the way, no matter what. You see me, I say? Now, the thing about it, now, viewers and subscribers, me see videos and comments on social media that gave me the understanding that quite a number of people are accusing Shenseea of using lyrics from a song that had been done by a female musician who goes by the name of Denise Belfan. Yeah, I think, yeah, Denise Belfan. You see me, I say, some people call a song there work and some people call a song there put your back in it. That had been done by that female who goes by the name of Denise Belfan. You see me, I say, yeah, me see a video from a person posted on a TikTok account where I go by the name of Trini _Walls592 or something like that. So me I say, and me also see another video from a person who me see in quite a number of videos on a Facebook page that goes by the name of Stark Entertainment or Stark Entertainment. You see me I say, people? Yes, so those two persons said some things in two separate videos that gave me the understanding that they are somewhat accusing Shenseea of using lyrics from a female's song. You see me I say, even though one of those videos coming like is a comedy thing or a remix thing, you understand? But I understand when me get from both of those videos, you see? Anyways, I also read a news article that gave me the understanding that the female who goes by the name of Denise Belfan talk about the same song that some people call Put Your Back in It and some people also call it Work, So basically it's like the article said that Denise said that she's going to ride the wave of the Put Your Back in It challenge. You understand? Yeah, but we never get into that topic, right? You see, this song where Shenseea do, what goes by the name of Lick, me realize that some people don't really agree with the song. So I'm going to get into the comment section and I'm going to get an understanding of me as a people. Because I see comments from celebrities as well as just fans talk about the song where Shenseea do on different posts that have been made by Shenseea on her account. You see me? Yeah, me see a comment from Busta Rhymes. And really and truly, all me see is just emojis in other comment there that have been made by Busta Rhymes. Just the fire emoji and then some form of blow your mind emoji twice, Yeah, so couple of the fire emoji and then that blow your mind thing right there. So I understand way much I say really and truly, but me see that comment there. See me? Yeah, me see one comment from somebody. Me not sure if that person are fans or what, but that person make a comment where the person say, I would do a bad word and this. You see me I say, but Shenseea reply. Shenseea reply and say, bad word, song. Yes, I said, but they want to say certain things about that. And then the next comment now, me see viewers and subscribers, me see a comment from the genius, Steve McGregor. Yeah, man, Steve McGregor. As I say, fire emoji and them thing there, more than one of them. Beanie Man, me see comments from Beanie Man as well. You see I say? Me see at least one comment from Ramesh, fire emojis again, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Ding dang. You see me? Make fin comment. Coffee them sis. Big look. You understand? With the fire emojis, them and them thing. And one heap of different comment. Me say all over it now, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now I could get to some of the comments them from persons, you know, where I give them opinions and so forth. As I make, I'm in a ramping, you know, I'm scared. I try to, you know, do everything respectable, but bring the truth, you see. So, a comment from one person, I don't know how to pronounce it, name, I must say Base, you see me, I say, it's like the comment say, expected more from you, Goody. You let Megan carry this song alone. Who they? Somewhat of a bad word, this. Well, I don't know, that person doesn't look like he know how I go on. A next comment from somebody who must go by the name of J the God. Say, hook need work, but the video is dope. Alright, female opinion. Right, and next comments from somebody else. Say, very disappointed in Shenseea, like what happened? Well, that's another opinion again. And then the next comment from somebody must name Trini Sapphire. That's how I pronounce it, the name there. The person text, alright. Text me for say. Shenseea, this is a no. We have seen you do better than this. Well, I don't know how I go on, people. See me? And then another comment again say, Megan ate it up. Megan never disappoint. Well, the person that come like is a Megan Thee Stallion fan, and then a comment say, this is not it, respectfully. Alright, me no quite get that one, them people. See? You understand? But could go up on another page again. Another comment from somebody who goes by the name of Renee Garden. Yeah, Renee Garden. A letdown. Alright, we could move on to another comment. Sweetie P, Sam. Yeah, sound like a Sweetie P that one to go. That person that said, might as well, uno didn't name this song. Put your back in it. I'm a Shenseea fan, but Megan nailed this. Disappointed Shen. So me another comment from somebody else say, I'm a fan of your music, but this one isn't giving. When it's nice, we say it's nice. So when it's not, we're supposed to say it's not. Keep doing your thing though. I love that comment there. The truth, but positive same way. Yeah, and you know, other comments there. No, don't get it wrong, you know, viewers and subscribers. They have some very positive comments as well too, you know, my people. Some very positive comments towards Shenseea do come in, you know. You understand me I said to you. But it's just that me I see a lot of comments that some persons are basically talking about the song where Shenseea do, saying that the song have lyrics from another person's song and all them things, but at the same time you still have persons that say, oh, no matter what, Shenseea all the way, you know. Now before I end this video, you know, viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about the pieces of videos that I saw on social media that shows Foota Hype. Now, in those pieces of videos, Foota Hype said some things that gave me the understanding that he's disappointed in the song that Shenseea and Megan Thee Stallion had done. Yeah, the song that goes by the name of Lick, or the title Lick. Yeah, the same song where Shenseea and Megan Thee Stallion do. Collaboration. Yeah, well, Foota Hype said some things in pieces of videos that gave me the understanding that him disagree, or him not totally agree, or him don't really like the song. You understand? That's my point of view. So maybe because in one of those pieces of videos, he said some things that gave me the understanding that him say the song is rubbish or totally rubbish. Is it? Him also categorize the song with a song that Aishana had done. You understand? So basically it's like him said them song that the two worst song in a dancehall. He also said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he wanted to ask Shenseea if this is what she wanted to reach to the top for, if this is what her mission was, and if she's proud of herself. It might not be word for word as to how he said it, no, viewers and subscribers, but that's the understanding that I got according to some things that he said. He also said other things as well, no, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, it seems as if him don't wish bad for Shenseea. Yeah, It seems as if him don't wish bad for Shenseea, but him just give him opinions and point of views according to some things that she had done. You see it? Anyways, I have some I left it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?